All right, we have a no heat call here at a house we have not been to before. Gentleman found us on the internet, and we believe most of these houses out here are gas, so we believe he's going to have gas, but let's go find out and try to get him some heat. Corsaire. So that was a looks like he's got another crawl door over there, and both of them are open. Gonna get a water puddle. So we came in that door. I see a 3-inch exhaust pipe, but it had a 2-inch elbow outside. So I don't know why they reduced it out there. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. Okay, so having not been here before, don't really know anything about this furnace, but I'll tell you what, it was all I could do to get this door off. I don't know, I don't think anybody added any glue to it or anything, but the fact that it had never been off, once I got all the screws loose, I mean, I had to keep digging the screwdriver in there and prying at it to get it to bust loose. It was flat out sealed up in this compartment here. And then I just glance inside real quick. See that igniter? That looks like the culprit. So he must have it turned off in the house. So we're going to put our jumper on it. And there goes the induced draft. We'll listen for the click on the board, but I bet you that doesn't glow. You see the broken spot in it. And that's one of those old-timey, funky kind with the ridge on the side of it that fit Rheem and Rheem only. And maybe I've seen something else with that igniter, but there went the gas. I smell it and I heard it. So let's get that igniter off there and see if we can match it up with something we got. Got the old Nebo in there, so in some situations it's really handy like that right there. It's gonna stick on the top of the furnace and let us see down in it pretty good. May have to go get a longer nut driver, but it looks like we're going to reach it. Not real worried about being careful with this one because it is already busted. Well, that's her. Huh. The wire goes between it. So let's go out there. I don't think I got one with this ridge right here on it, but let's go out there to the truck. Well, you can see the bad spot on it. She is no good. All right. Okay. Well, looks like I was wrong, because I actually do have the 41411 says exact replacement for Rheem. So this one actually ought to have that ridge on it. It's even got the little bracket and all. Yep. Got the little ridge there. So this ought to go right back in there like it was. And this will be what we call the plug and play application. But it goes back in there. Just like that, and I'm trying not to bump it around. They are delicate. And I had one of these. Lucky I had any. Because I didn't think I was going to. I had about 6 of those Robert Shaw boxes out there, and I had a case or a box of 6 glow flies. We buy them like that, and they got so many brackets in them, you just about make them fit anything if you get creative with it. But this should be plug and play. So there's the plug. So now let's see if she'll play. Okay, we still got our jumper on it, and pretty sure she's gonna fire right up, but let's go ahead and witness that, and then we'll put the doors back on it and go make sure it starts from the thermostat in the house. And she is glowing. And we'll find out if he wants us to do any further servicing or cleaning or anything else he might want done, or if he just wanted it repaired and keep going. We will give him some information. We'll give him the actual age and model and serial number and everything as usual. Seems like it's a little slow to fire up, but burning pretty good. So I'm gonna put this back door on first, and let him turn it on by the thermostat, and I'm going to watch these flames when the fan comes on. Confirm the fan comes on, and then watch the flames at the same time, and then we'll put the front door on and go from there. If he wants this thing taken apart and cleaned and serviced, we'll do it. If he just wanted it repaired, then we've got that achieved. So okay. Got the back door on. Yes, sir, this is Ted Cook under the house.
Hey, Ted.
Could you go ahead and bring the thermostat up and let it call for heat, and let me watch it fire up from under here, and I'll confirm everything, and I'll be out to talk to you about it.
Ready?
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Sure, bye.
Okay. We got to that thermostat pretty quick. So I just want to confirm that we have fan while we're under here. Blower, fan, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to eyeball these flames and make sure they don't dance erratically when it comes on. And we'll go inside and talk to them about the furnace, talk to them about the age of it. Bit flashy when it's firing up there. I believe if we took all this apart and cleaned everything out, it might improve the burn just a little bit, but it doesn't look like it absolutely has to happen. So I'm going to wait for the fan to come on here and see if I see any reason for concern at this point. I did not see any change at all. Let's see if we can get a model and serial for him while we're on the video. Okay. I don't think I'd have wanted mine vented right by the front door. I saw a 3-inch under there and reduces to 2. Right here. Get away from that, it stinks. All right, so he was a little more interested in what it would cost to replace everything and get a newer, more efficient system than he was in putting any more money into any type of servicing or cleaning or anything. So, I told him his blower wheel was pretty dirty, the inside of the furnace was dirty. The burner may be a little more efficient and light a little smoother and quieter if I cleaned it and a few things, and he just didn't want to spend any money on it. He was smiling to feel that heat blowing out. Beautiful day, but a little bit chilly here. We got 2 more, so let's keep going. Thanks for watching.